In this video, I'll be telling you how to get a big clock on your iPad or iPhone after iOS 26 update. Let me show you. I have this clock already. So as you can see, I have a bigger clock on my lock screen. So how to get it? Just unlock your iPad or iPhone. Scroll down from the top and hold your screen. Here you will be able to see this customize option. And now tap on the clock. Make sure you have chosen this first font, and now here you will be able to see this stretch option to stretch your clock. So you can stretch to this extent. So yeah, once you're done, just tap on done, and yeah, we are done now, guys. So we are done now. That's how you can make your clock bigger, and that's how you can get bigger clock on your iPad or iPhone in iOS 26 update. If you more video, tell them goodbye.